Welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain how to model a balcony in AutoCAD 2020. You can see here so many objects, wooden objects, bars, and also the balusters. Already I modeled wall, slab, and some profiles because of time management. First, click on extrude and click on this profile and enter. According to our length, you can extrude these objects. Likewise, you can extrude other profile also. Change the view to see our model is correct or not. Change the view and check whether it is our correct position. Here this object not in our correct position. I am going to place this object in correct place. So I use the move command to place in correct position. Everything is okay. Now we are going to model our balusters and posts. So change the view and change this line color because I have to identify those wireframe model. I am going to model the post. The post size is 0.15 into 0.15. So click on box tool and pick this point and draw 0.15, 0.15. This is our post size. The drawn. Here we have to give the height. So I decided the height 0.75. So this is our post. The post also model. Now we have some works in this post. So change the front view. Go there. Pick the arc tool. And draw a profile. A simple profile of this arc. And join it to edge. Here both sides this arc placed. So I have adjusted this one. Now go to brush tool and pick this area. And here same as this side. Here some post profile is created. This is useful. So I don't use these lines, so I can delete that. Go to conceptual view. You can check the model is okay or not. Same as other posts will be created according to those positions. Here already I modeled that object and I am used that object to create same object here. So copy that object and place the correct position and escape. I am going to select that object and mirror. So click that object and go to mirror and pick this corner angle. Enter. Now both sides is created. So go to brush tool and you can use Select the object and go to copy. Pick those points and place the destination points. Now we have to rotate this one according to our view. So you can move this here. And same as here, go to modify and mirror. So you can pick this axis to mirror those. And this side we have 6 items. Those items will be mirrored to right side. All post objects are created. You can see the view and go to isometric. You can see here. Now I have to place the path for bars. So click on offset edge and select the object and make a path. This is our path. This is easy method to create from 3D to 2D polygon. Here we have a path. This is our path. So I am going to change the color. Now I am going to copy those paths in between 0.15 spacing. So change the view and go to copy command and copy from this object to every spacing 0.15 meters. Now I have to place the bars on this path. So here I already drawn the hexagon. So click on solid and go to sweep. Click on the object, enter and select the path to follow this path. So you can see here, this is our path method. You can use the sweep command to place all. Here our old bars are placed in correct ways. Now it's the time to create balusters. So click a vertical line. Then we have to draw a profile with a polyline. It means 2D polyline. So create a profile according to your wish. You can create a profile. Create this profile on top view because this is very easy to rotate other views. Our profile created. So click on solid and go to revolve. Select the object, enter and select the path. This is the axis. So this axis will be 360 degree. So you can delete this line and go to another view to see our object. This is our baluster. You can use the 3D rotate command to rotate this object according to our view. View is changed and we have to place on correct place. So select on the object and click move tool to place. The baluster is placed in correct place. So I have to use the array tool. It means polar array tool to distribute this object. So select on this object and enter. This is our polar array. Here you can see the angle is 360. So I want 180. You can see here this is 180. This one is extra, so you can reduce that one. Click this pick point and click here. Here is adjusted. Furthermore, you want some items, so click on here and give 8 and enter. Now 8 items inserted into that polar array. You can change a view and see the polar array is created. The easy method to place the balusters for a circle is the polar array. Now we have to insert the materials. So click on visualize, go to material browser. Here the material browser dialog box is shown. Here so many various items will be shown. Click on here, you can see wood items are there. So I have to select this one and pick it here. This is our wooden material. So select the objects and place that material. So select that material and right click and give the selection. Change the style as realistic to see our material is added or not. Then you can see here the material are added. This is the method to flow other materials. You can use the orbit command to see the object completely. You can render this model to convert as image. So click on this window and you can see the realistic view. Here some lights and shadows are added. According to your PC configuration, you can render very quickly. So many render engines are there to render quickly and very quality images. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click on bell icon to get more latest updates from this channel. Thank you.